Look guys, so today we just got this brand new package and I got this epic surprise from my mom and we're gonna unbox this thing.
Something for me, Shaq?
Yeah, Mom.
Oh,
Let's open this bad boy up.
All right. I can't wait to see what it is.
You're gonna love this, Mom. You're gonna love this.
Let's see.
Just wait till you see this thing. This thing's incredible.
Whoa.
You know what it is yet?
No, what is it, Shaqy?
It's Coop.
Coop?
Yeah, you know what Coop is?
The pillow company?
Yeah, Coop Home Goods. This thing is about to give you the best night of sleep of your life. Check it out, check it out. Put it in front of me, put it in front of me.
All right.
It's a Coop.
Oh man, my pillow is so old, Shaq. Did you get this for me?
I did, because you're gonna get some of the greatest sleep of all time.
I can't wait. Okay, Shaq, let's take a look. So this is the Eden King from Coop. It's adjustable cross-cut gel-infused memory foam and microfiber pillow.
This thing is some of the greatest pillows of all time.
Okay,
Look at that fluff.
We got extra.
Floof.
It says for more oomph, add me.
Oomph.
Oomph.
Oomph. I like oomph.
Nice packaging.
Yep. Be a
Oh, cool.
slave.
It tells us how to prep the pillow.
Prep.
And then how I should lay. If you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper, and how to adjust it.
I lay on my side, and
You're
I'm
a
like,
side sleeper?
Shamana.
You sleep all over the place.
I sleep anywhere, anytime, any place.
Whoa. Wow, this is a heavy
Wow,
pillow.
that's the pillow. Yep. All you gotta do is you cut that thing open, and it just pops out like shamana.
All right, let's see here.
Open it up, open up. I wanna see. I'm probably gonna sleep on it half the time.
Are you sure?
I am. Watch it with the scissors.
I know. I gotta be careful. Shaq.
It's up. Yeah, yep.
Okay, I
Open it
almost
up.
got it.
Open it up. Let me see it. Let's see it unfold.
Whoa.
Whoa! This thing's like a bed for me. This thing's huge.
It is perfect for you.
It's huge.
See it, Shaq?
I see it. I see it.
It's like growing.
Yeah, it's about to be big and epic. And the crazy thing about Coop is you could add fluff or you could take out fluff so you could have the perfect night of sleep of your life because it fits to you. Like, that's why you're gonna have great sleep because you adjust it to your liking.
And let's show everybody.
The floof.
So it has this outer pillowcase, and then on the inside,
It's
there's
another
pillowcase with all the fluff inside of it.
Yeah.
But
Yep.
what is this you got me over here?
That is another pillowcase. Is if you're a hot sleeper, so you sweat and stuff, you just put this thing on as your pillowcase instead. So like it just keeps you nice and cool. It's called the cool side. One side is cool, the other side keeps your pillow in place so it doesn't slide off.
Let's feel it.
Yeah, feel it. It feels like butter.
Ooh. Oh, it's so silky feeling.
Silky
and cool.
fresh.
I mean, this side is soft and kind of cottony, but this is like silky and it already feels cool to the touch. Feel it, Shaq?
I feel it. Yep. It feels like butter.
I know, like butter. Oh, I can't wait for this hot summer nights. That's gonna be so nice.
Look at how
Look
big
how big.
Yeah, it's nice. Show me some of the floof in there.
You want to see some of the?
I want to see the floof. Show me the floof.
Let's see, Shaq.
I think it's like microfiber stuff in there. Whoa, that stuff looks like that stuff looks like kibble. Can I eat it?
But it's so soft.
I can't eat that. Can I?
Wish you guys could feel this. No, you can't eat this, Shaq.
It looks like kibble.
But it won't taste like kibble.
Okay.
Get all the stuff back in there.
Yep. Guys, these pillow, I might even try to sleep on it. We're gonna show my mom how to sleep on it here in a second too, and we're gonna just be like me. Afternoon nappy, okay? We'll be right back in like 2 seconds, man. Watch this. Guys, so I'm just trying out this pillow, and this thing is like buttery soft. I'm about to sleep on this thing. Ah! All right, guys, let's have mom try it now. Mom, come here.
Ooh, this is so cozy, Shaq.
I knew you would like it, dude. Like, you're about to sleep like a baby. Because you're a baby, mama. We're about to sleep so good now, Mom. Rock-a-bye, Mama, on the sweet top. I don't know the words, but we're sleeping so good with Coop. Thanks, guys, for checking out our unboxing today. As you can see, this pillow is the greatest of all time, and I hope my mom enjoys it because I love her so much.
Oh, Shaq, I'm gonna love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mom. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and you give me a subscribe. I love you guys. Adios, amigos.